Dad.
Daddy and Mommy, where are you guys going to this evening? You're dressed like this.
We are going to Valentine party.
Okay. So, what is Valentine?
I'm making a walk along one.
Oh. How? How do you mean, Daddy? You will make a walk along wine on Valentine. What do you mean?
I walk along wine.
Oh, okay. That's good. What do you have to say? So, is it for only married people or just walking a wine?
Oh, no, my American. What you did? Oh, America, our boyfriend and girlfriend.
Oh, so boyfriend and girlfriend is allowed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. That's good. So, why aren't you going to red today?
Oh, coincidental.
Ah.
I been
non coincidental, I had it for Valentine.
Okay, I had it for Valentine.
You can get coincidental again. I am managing
Oh, okay. So today is the day you're gonna show love for her, right?
Yeah.
How long have you people been married for?
Oh, why
57 years.
Wow, that's great, man. And you people still love each other?
Bam.
Okay, if you love each other, kiss her. Let's see.
Kiss her Nigeria. I never make kiss like Nigeria.
No, where man I like kissing.
Why? It's a expression of love. Even Jesus kissed himself.
Jesus kiss.
Oh, okay.
Hey! Jesus kiss.
Until when did they let this stay? Are you rejecting your husband? How the kiss here? It means that you are seeing another man. Is that true? Oh! Woo! This is sexy, man. Come on. Oh, so I believe that. You guys look very great. So, let's advise some young couples who are aspiring to get to 57. What do you advise them?
What?
What is the secret?
The more you see, the less you talk.
Okay. What does that mean? Please explain.
Because too much talking spoils everything.
So are you saying you blame on you? So what of them now here? They don't want to take it, they divorce. What do you think? You support divorce?
They are not matured.
One of them they did here. You know, some people did here, you know, and all that. So do you expect them to stay there?
Those people are animals. They are not husbands.
So it's good for them to be severe.
Yes.
Okay. That is gonna cause fist to cup. It's not good now.
You want them to die there?
No, they divorce instead of Kogwara.
Oh, he mean it. Okay.
Wow. So, why are you looking at him like that?
Rapper!
So, anyway, we are really happy. You people are looking great.
Thank you very much.
And we have had your advice. So, what of natural love? What do you think?
Catch a book when no way.
That's okay.
The secret of love.
Finally, some people say they are waiting for Mr. Right or Mrs. Right. What do you think? Is there anything like Mr. Right or Mrs. Right?
There is no man, Mrs. Right. No man, Mr. Right. The only thing, pray, have faith, and jump into it. God will give you your own partner.
Okay. Daddy, thank you so much for taking out time. I wish you people wonderful enjoyment this night as we go for this Valentine's Day. In Jesus' name.
Amen.